and shoveled the entire driveway by himself.
Oh, good for him.
No, I'm like, have a game in mind.
That was awfully nice of him.
I know, we thought he was down the shower. Like, he's like, the driveway's all done, you want it done. Jeez.
You trained him right. Is that just one solid piece of ice? Oh, it is. This is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about. So this is my car, all covered in snow. Well, not all covered, but oh dang it, put that on. Here, just stay right there real quick. More snow there. Eh?
More poop there.
On the backpack.
Well, backpack no, but there's more light here, so we can actually see.
I got enough light right here.
No.
Yes. Mhm.
What are you
Mhm.
doing?
Mhm. Mhm.
I'm scared too.
Here, step like right here. So you're this way. So you don't step right into used snow.
Oh, snow in my eyes.
Here, you want me to do that?
Yeah,
Okay.
I want to watch it.
Here, can you hold it?
I guess.
Just like that?
You fell on your butt first.
I know. Ooh, snow down the butt. That's cold. See, mine looks a lot better.
What do you mean?
Well, because it got more indented. You landed on your butt first. Think it's no angel. There's actually a lot of snow, I'm surprised. Here, I'm gonna watch you, Peyton.
This time I made it a little bit longer.
That's good.
Hopefully I make it through that part.
Yeah.
Nope.
Good try.
Try that again. Let's keep this out so I can't go that way. Hopefully that helps.
Hey, at least you went that way. Tired?
Yeah.
How tired?
Tired.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why are you licking the snow? Huh? Huh? Why? You're weird. Are you eating it? Are you eating it? Why?
Good, good.
What?
Where's this?
How did that work out for you?
Oh, that's the greatest.
Yeah. I wish I got that.
You didn't?
No.
Oh,
You got to do that again.
I'll do it again.
Okay.
But I'll make it worse.
Okay.
Oh gosh.
That's pretty much how you did it the first time.
Yep. Hola people. Hello Friday. Hola people.
She's almost got your pie already. Should we just both jump in? Or one at a time?
One at a time.
One at a time?
But I'll go first.
I'll go first. Age before beauty.
Mm-mm.
Uh-huh.
Beauty before age.
Age before beauty. Actually, April wins before me.
So when she gets the pick.
Yeah.
With me.
She'll choose me. I'm her favorite step kid.
But I'm her favorite active child.
I'm her favorite step kid, and I'm the eldest.
I'm her favorite out of all.
No, Zoe's her favorite. Let's just be honest. That looks weird.
I'm gonna stuff my face in this. Ready?
3.
This on me. Here you go. Ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1. Stuff. Oh, look.
Oh. Let's go.
Want me to do that?
Sure.
You recover first. Recording? Okay. How does that look?
Great. You can really see your nose.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Take 2,
But longer.
but longer.
3.
2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Brain freeze. Face freeze.
How did I feel?
It felt fine in the stove, and then when I pulled it out, it killed me.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, my face is tingling.
Yeah. That's why I wear this.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Hey, it's better than getting snow in the butt.
Okay.
Ugh.
Your turn.
My turn? Longer again?
Yeah?
How long? 10?
No.
10 seconds?
No.
20? A minute?
3.
3 minutes?
5 seconds.
5 seconds?
You don't have to get your face much in the thing though, because you have most of it covered.
Yeah.
Okay. 3,
Alright, 3,
2.
2, 1.
Wait. Hold on. I don't think I touched it.
It's good.
Okay. Okay, Jacob.
That hurt.
Your face is barely has any snow. I don't know if I'm recording.
It's recording. I made sure.
Alright.
Oh, that hurts. Alright, it's recording.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay.
That's cold.
My turn.
Okay. Like right there on the side.
Right here.
Yep.
3.
2, 1, go. You're good, Peyton. Need help? Need help?
No,
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get it in farther.
Want me to bury your head?
No,
You sure?
this isn't cool. I can stay here all the time.
Okay.
Hey,
Hey! So, how would you rate the snow? Out of 10?
9 now.
9.5? Not a 9.9 or a 9.9.1?
Probably a 9. 9.7.
9.7? Okay.
It's a little salty now.
It's a little salty, huh? You hear that, snow gods? It's a little salty.
Bring it down. Put the
Yeah.
pepper in it.
What are you doing?
Alright, I'm gonna stuff my mouth with snow.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's not weird at all. I'm so glad I have my GoPro. Wouldn't have been able to do this without my other video camera.
Alright, now I'm following the snow, Jacob.
Where's the snow? Right here?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Hold on.
I'm gonna record you from you going in backwards.
Or should I jump this way?
Either way. Here, let me go.
Here we go. This is comfy.
Happy?
Uh-huh.
How would you recommend this snow bed? Out of 12.
Out of 12?
Out of 12.
11.8.
11.8?
Yeah.
Now give me a turn so I can rate it.
No.
Yes.
It's gonna have a different body position.
So, still the same snow. We can wait for tomorrow. It's gonna snow more tomorrow.
Oh. Alright, hold up.
My stomach's cold.
Oh, my headband.
My headband. Dang it. Calling Dad?
Yeah. Oh, my phone went dead.
Oh, that's cold on my neck.
Oh, that's cold on my neck.
Oh.
Peyton, hurry up.
Oh.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, ho.
Are you eating all this? That's weird.
Not really. I'm just making fun of you. Where's my lens? Pretty comfortable there? Uh-huh. This is a pretty good spot. And make sure to go like my my video on Tanamangu. Didn't put that much effort into it, but still a good video. So make sure to go like it.
Go follow me on Instagram, Peyton_22_34. Peace out, bros.
So on Instagram, I did a poll about what should I call you viewers, and Peyton thinks Ya Nasties is pretty good. So please do explain why you think it's a good name.
It's a shorter name. Well, not really shorter, but it just sounds better. And You Nasty just sounds too proper.
Too proper meaning.
Too schooly.
So it sounds more of like a classic motif kind of stuff.
You need to say ya nasty. 'Cause
Ya nasties.
that's way better.
Yeah, so you guys are currently ya nasties. So check in with you guys later. Here, now go through this part.
All right.
Go. You missed a spot right here.
Save!
Right here. Right here.
Save!
Right here.
Ah. Save!
That's not weird at all.
You don't get sprinkles. Oh, you're going from there? Oh, hold on. Wait, stay there. Restart it, and I'm gonna start over here then.
Go.
Safe.
1.
Peace out, you nasty.